Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and ZIP archives on HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open a RAR app we shown you previously on how to download it. Now let's find the file that we want to unpack. Here's mine. Click on it, then click on this arrow pointing up, and that way you'll unpack entire archive. Then click on the browse to change the designation where to unpack it, and I'm going for downloads folder. Click on OK to save the designation, then on OK again to unpack your files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.